What's up, everybody? It's Artie here with Bomber Breaks, and I've got for you right now Panini Mosaic Football. Pick your team number one here on release day. Thank you so much for jumping in. We got plenty of more Mosaic we can rip. And just use that code Rush is posted in the chat for 10% off. Thanksgiving at 10. Well, let's get into our first break. It's going to be a filler. Arizona Cardinals down to the Tennessee Titans. 3 plus a 4. Lucky 7 is how we're starting on the clicks today on our 11 filler squads. Does that seem a little tiny? All right, that's a little better. That's 3, 4. That's 5, 6, and the one we need, Lucky 11, gives me the Seattle Seahawks down to the Jacksonville Jaguars. Shame on me. I forgot to give me 1 second. Just not a big deal, but we're going to delete. Deleted. Anyway, Homestar Runner? No. All right, there's our fillers. Seattle to the Jaguars, good. And my participants, I got Jay, Tim, Jeff, Carl, Brent, and Mike. Appreciate you guys. Good luck on the draw and the break for 3 plus a 3, 6 clicks on the 11 filler participants. And after 6 times, we've got Carl in the 1 spot, Tim in the 11. Looks a little something like that. Alphabetically by team name: Brent, Arizona Cardinals; Jeff, Houston Texans; Tim, Jacksonville Jaguars; Mike, LA Rams; Carl, Las Vegas Raiders; Jay, Minnesota Vikings. We've got Tim with the New England Patriots; Carl, New Orleans Saints; Jeff, Pittsburgh Steelers; Carl, Seattle Seahawks; and Jeff with the Tennessee Titans. All right, let's put the first pick your team up on the screen. I whiffed on that one for you, Brent. I apologize. Boom. All right, perfect. Okay, so let's do something like this. We'll go 4, 4, and 4 for the PYTs. Hey, Brent, I was afraid that you might be slightly confused. This is 2023 Mosaic Football. So 2023 rookies. So no Drake May, no Marv. This is 2023 rookie class. Just sorry for any confusion on that one. Give me 1 second. I forgot something when I printed this sheet, so I'm going to reprint real quick. Oh, it is 2024. Oh, okay. Well, there goes that solves that. Okay. Well, and I was promoting the rookies completely wrong. That's my fault. Oh man, so this filler is actually loaded then. Just not in the way that I thought. Well, that's stupid. All right, well, that's an embarrassing start. All right, guys, pick your teams. We've got 1 and 2 as far as the die roll goes. So pick your teams coming from which one, right? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. This will be for number 1. All right, 2, 3. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So this is going to be number 1 that we're going to do right here. Guys, well, let's just pick your teams now here while we've got them, and then I can put them to the side. So we'll go for number 2, odds left, evens right. Odds left, evens right. Evens right. These are going to be number 2 here. Right, number 2. And then this is going to be number 3. Perfect. So guys, that will be the first 3, and then we've got a new case for 4, 5, and 6. We're also running 3-box lots on eBay. Two autographs per box. I was looking, we have stained glasses back, which is one of the prettier things around. All right, guys. Filler has been filled. Teams have been picked. Here we go. Mosaic Football 2024. Mosaic Football. Pick your team, number 1. Good luck, everybody. Let's find some booms tonight. This evening, this afternoon, what have you. Configure. All right, so let's see what we can find. Good luck, everybody. Good old chromium in the house. You know, I saw, okay. We've got all kinds of fun stuff. National Pride, that's Amon-Ra St. Brown. And the first numbered hit of the day, gonna go to the Kansas City Chiefs. It's George Karlaftis in the orange KC. This is 32 out of 199. More Amon-Ra and deck. A couple of rookies there. As always, guys, kid reporter cards. If anybody wants them, just all you gotta do is shout it in the chat, and I'll send you a whole bunch. All right, so we've got a little NFL debut, Bo Nix there. I shouldn't have said anything. I would have been like, Bo Nix. Drake London, red prism, and Jared Verse, silver. LA Rams, the likely defensive rookie of the year for LA. He's got the Rams. That's Mike. Jared Goff montage and a couple more rookies. All right, Brent says Kid Reporters, no problem. Get those to you, Brent. There's our first Jaden Daniels rookie, and I'm not sure if any product produces nice chrome rookies like Mosaic does, so cool to see that. That is a Prism Jaden Daniels. Who's got the Commanders in this one? David M. Good luck. Searching for some beautiful J. Daniels stuff. Here, next up for the Green Bay Packers, it's 15 out of just 15. Edgerrin Cooper. Nice Edgerrin Cooper to 15. Green Bay. Go into Joe. Kelsey Montage and a couple more rookies. And here for our first autograph of the day for the San Francisco 49ers, it's Isaac Griendo. San Francisco 49ers. Casey, that is yours. Congrats. Saw him get some nice run during the kind of injury section of the Niners season with the running backs. But, man, he balled out when he had the chance in the white Mosaic rookie there. Behind that, it is a Jonathan Brooks red rookie. That's a Silver Shack Thompson. Generational kicker, Young Huku. We've got Jonathan Taylor there and Javon Baker. New England Patriots rookie in the orange. Javon Baker is 150 out of 199. Pats is Tim. And that's a by Storm rookie of Blake Corum. Blake Corum Storm there, Rams. Michael Penix, NFL debut. DK Metcalf and Michael Mayer. There's a Men of Mastery, DeMarcus Ware. And how about Overdrive, Marvin Harrison. Love these Mosaic inserts. That's Brent's little Marv for you to get us going. A couple more rookies, Phillips and Fontenot. Raiders. That's an NFL debut. Drake May for the Patriots. I feel like Drake's looking pretty darn good there in New England. Tyler Guyton. Brian Thomas introductions. Ooh, center stage. J.J. McCarthy for the Vikings. Working our way down in our first Bowman University filler. Marshawn Lloyd rookie. Darius Sneed and Ed Reed. Ooh, okay. So looks like they're gonna do the whole dual thing to us here. So this is DK and Debo. We'll roll the die for any of these base duels. Of course, if we get a numbered duel, it'll be a separate random. But for now, we'll go odds left, evens right, as we always do, to determine the duel's odds left side. There, if we get more than one, we'll go back and forth. We'll see. I'm not, first time opening it, so we'll see how the duels look. But I'm gonna go left side for now. So that's going to be DK Metcalf and the Seahawks getting that. Green and Murphy. Brian Thomas, NFL debut. And backwards here for the Buffalo Bills, it's Showtime! Keon Coleman. Boom! Robert S. Bills Mafia is yours. And so is the Keon Coleman rookie autograph. The wide receiver from Florida State. Pretty solid rookie season. A little banged up last few weeks, but projects as the #1 guy in Buffalo for quite some time, I would suspect. So very cool there. Nice hit. Baguette, and that's going to be a blue Jalen Hyatt for the New York Giants. That is William. Got him outright. Jalen Hyatt is 37 out of 99 in the blue. And rounding out box number 1. Michael Mayer and Junior Colson. That's the duel going to the Packers. And center stage, Lamar. All right, into box number 2. Good luck. Well, you know, it doesn't have to be one or the other, right? To each their own. I personally do love Mosaic, so I'm not, you know, I just love the chromium. I love the rookie accumulation. I love these prisms. Select also a very nice product, but I will not talk badly about Mosaic. Bucky Irving. I've got a couple of Mosaic Darius Garland rookie PSA 10s just because I like the Cavs, and Darius didn't sign much as a rookie, so it was hard to find anything. Here we've got an orange Harold Landry for the Tennessee Titans. This is 193 out of 199. Harold Landry, Tennessee Titans. Jeff, that one is yours. Carbon copy there. Jonathan Brooks, NFL debut. That is a red DeForest Buckner. John Taylor. There's Drake May introductions. Rome Odunze introductions prism for the Bears. We've got Marlon Humphrey there. And Jamar Chase here, Cincinnati Bengals. Roy, this is yours. Jamar Chase, 5 out of just 25. Nice short one there on the Chase. White Mosaic. Keenan Allen and a couple rookies. NFL debut, Bo Nix. And backwards here. Behind the Ben. Ooh. What do we have here? What do we have here? Signature highlights. Mac Jones. Mac Jones for the New England Patriots. On that one. All right, that's a little something different. Okay. All right, so yeah, this one a little different. So Mac Jones signature highlights. This tells me it's a 2022 Donruss football autograph. Mac Jones Patriots. That is Tim via the filler. We used Joey Bosa base to reveal, and we've got a Brendan Rice rookie. Tyler Goyton. Niners rookies. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that one, but we'll withhold judgment until we see the totality of the break. But yeah, that's an interesting insert into the product. Sam Darnold. What did I do? These go here. Darnold, and this is Xavier Woods in the orange for the Carolina Panthers. Xavier Woods is 145 out of 199. Ooh, Capital Gains, Ray Davis rookie. That's pretty cool. And there's a Marvin. NFL debut, Rome Odunze. Bears. And J.C. Horn. Next up, it's a C.J. Stroud for the Houston Texans. That was a filler team for Jeff. We've got 54 out of 99. 54 out of 99, CJ. Hey, what do we have here but a Caleb Williams rookie? Oh, that's yours. Congrats. Not been an easy card to find these days. Cool to see that. Xavier Worthy Prism rookie. KC. Micah Parsons. Roma Dunze Overdrive. J.J. McCarthy, NFL debut. It's a red Ed Reed for Baltimore and Danny Dimes there. Flipper Anderson. Guys got spots moving down in the Bowman filler in the next ignition. All right, good luck. Well, let's see what we've got for the Minnesota Vikings. Skull Vikings in focus signatures of Dallas Turner. First round draft selection from the University of Alabama. Having a great season there for Vikings. That's right. The Raiders become a nice little team now with the Bowers Booms. Man, he's crushing. Good hit there. Minnesota also made the filler. Jay, that is yours. Dallas Turner. That is 90 out of 199. Najee Harris. And here's Javonte Williams for the Denver Broncos in the blue. Javonte is 62 out of 99. As we finish up box number 2. Jalen Wright, NFL debut. Harrison Smith, red prism. This is a Michael Penix, NFL debut, silver. Hotlanta. Randall, that's yours. And a very nice center stage, Jaden Daniels, Commanders. Such a machine. Doesn't matter the QB, just killing it. Rome Odunze, NFL debut. That is is Mr. Ertz. And behind that, another hit for the Minnesota Vikings. It's an orange J.J. McCarthy. Vikings, boom, 169 out of 199. J.J. McCarthy, NFL debut. Orange. Emmett there. And capital gains, Spencer Rattler, rookie. Trey Benson, NFL debut. We've got a Braylon Trice here for the Atlanta Falcons rookie. And I'm Thielen there, and lot two here. That's J.J. McCarthy by Storm. And Bo Nix rookie. Random Mike Williams, Jerry Jeudy, and Sauce Gardner. Center stage, Najee Harris. There's a Jaden rookie. CMC and Taysom Hill. Carbon copy. Penix rookie. Xavier Worthy, NFL debut. And here for the New England Patriots, it's Jalen Polk, rookie auto blue. Patriots hitting again for Tim via the filler. Jalen Polk, 32 out of 99 on the autograph. That is Jatavion Sanders and Troy Fautino, Pittsburgh Steelers rookie in the blue. Pittsburgh filler team for Jeff. That's 12 out of 99. Just the chromium cards do not like to stack particularly high, so I'm just always going to be kind of conscious of that. So I appreciate you dealing with my general fidgetiness when it comes to my piles, but one of those strength weaknesses type situations. James Cook there and Jacoby Myers. How about a splash, Travis Kelce? There's our first Brock rookie. Drake May, NFL debut. We've got Kyle Pitts there, and Latu of the Indianapolis Colts in the orange. Nice rookie first-round defensive player. Colts is Matthew. The Latu is 167 out of 199. That is a Brian Thomas Jr. Red Prism rookie, Jacksonville. And Marshawn Lloyd, NFL debut. Guys, I want to keep ripping the Mosaic. This stuff's a lot of fun. Cards look sharp. Doing everything I can to help protect these rookies for you. early 2024 Chromium Fire. Kobe Turner there, and how about a little love on this Wednesday? Julian Love, Seattle Seahawks. Little gold, boom, for the Seattle Seahawks. That's Carl. Filler Fire again, 1 out of 10 on our first gold of the afternoon. Use that code, Thanksgiving 10. As we finish up box number 3. With an autograph for the Kansas City Chiefs, it is Jan Stenerud. Kansas City. The Chiefs is Brian. Yours. 118 out of 199, Jan Stenerud. Donald Driver, J.C. Latham. Trey Hendrickson there. And there's a little Brock Bowers. Boom on Wednesday. Just a little chat mojo paying off. Don't hesitate. Can't possibly hurt you. 100 out of 199 on Mr. Bowers. And you guys know how much I enjoy saying the word Brock, so it's going to be a fun year of football. Brock Bowers orange. Men of Mastery, Jordan Love. And by storm, Mr. Bo Nix. Man, I think Bo has impressed me maybe the most. I mean, I knew Jaden was going to be good. I know that might sound like, after the fact, but I knew that. I wasn't so sure about Bo. He had super high completions at college, but I just didn't. Great. I mean, I don't want to feel like this is devaluing it, but just great system, great situation for him. But with not tons of great offensive skill players, they're crushing it there. Though Courtland Sutton's pretty good too. Michael Penix there. Pace Jr. and DK Metcalf. More Brian Thomas, NFL debut Prism. And behind that, it's Jatavion Sanders. Splash, Jalen Hurts. All right, so splashes aren't as rare as I may have thought, but you guys get the benefit of being in PYT number 1, and thus already gets the sleeve. Just a few more cards than he probably will for the rest of them, but that's okay. And when I start referring to myself in the third person, you know it's on. Marshawn, rookie debut. Hunter Henry, red. Silvery Noah Fant. DK and T.O. Brian Thomas showing up a bunch here for the Jaguars spot, which is Tim. Is that a filler team? It was. Man, don't be sleeping on my boy Brian Thomas. Kid's a stud. Don't let a few down games because of injury and quarterback problems mess with you. Here for the New York Football Jets, it's Jordan Travis. White Mosaic rookie auto. The New York Jets, Mike R. That is yours. Congrats. Another Florida State Seminole. And now New York Jet. I mean, with what is happening with Aaron over there, you never know what the future may bring sooner than you think on Jordan. We'll see. Well, Anderson there. And how about Brendan Rice here in the blue? Rookie for the LA Chargers. That is 46 out of 99. 46 out of 99, Brendan Rice blue. Trey Hendrickson, red, and that is a Ben Sinnott rookie. Moments in Time and Splash Jalen Waddle. It's Will Levis Prism, and here it's going to be Eric All for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Nope. Just kidding. It's the Cincinnati Bengals wearing his Iowa Hawkeyes jersey. Threw me off. Apologies. 166 out of 199 Cincinnati Bengals. That is Roy. Yours. Eric All Cincy. That's right. Tight end. I know him. Just didn't compute for a second. Carbon copy. And a couple of rookies. Chris Jenkins, rookie. That is a Malik Neighbor silver for the Giants. Jurassic Miles. Marvin Harrison, NFL debut. And it's going to be a short one to 15, guys. Good luck behind the Michael Pratt. We've got a rookie. We've got Michael Penix Jr. Boom! For the Atlanta Falcons. Rendell, that is yours. Congrats. Beautiful Penix. 12 out of 15 on the rookie. Boom. Malik Neighbors introductions. Hurts. And last but not least, we are going to have an autograph. It's going to go to the New Orleans Saints. A little Kool-Aid on this Wednesday. Kool-Aid McKinstry, rookie autograph, purple. We've got 22 out of 49 on Kool-Aid. Saints also a filler team for Carl. Congrats, man. That one is yours on the Kool-Aid to 49. Got the Bake Show there and King Henry. Hurts, T.O., and a couple more rookies going to bring us home. All right. Rookies. And so do that. And these are separate. Okay. Let's recap. Pick your team number 1, guys. Again, first 4 from a new case. Number 2 and number 3 are the remaining boxes. As you can see, I kind of was getting rookie separated, but let's start with what I would term like top rookie prism things. Neighbors did a couple of these veterans, which will be a one and only for PYT1, but that's okay. Brian Thomas there and Bo Nix. Brian Thomas, Kelsey Splash, McCarthy Storm. Saw a couple of these capital gains. Spencer Rattler. There's Jaden and Penix, Adunze Overdrive, Xavier Worthy, and Rome Adunze. Ray Davis, capital gains. Bucky Irving, McCarthy, Drake May, Blake Corum Storm, Marvin Overdrive. Is that numbered? It is. I apologize. Arizona Brent. I went too quick through this one. That's my fault. But I caught it there in the recap. Marvin Harrison, the overdrive was numbered to 99. So sneaky bonus boom for you, Brent, at the end. Sorry about that, man. Marvin Harrison, overdrive rookie to 99. Nice one there. And then we had also Jaden Daniels and Jared Verse on that end. Let's go to the numbered hits here. We had, again, we'll just recap again. Hey, there's this Marvin Harrison overdrive to 99 in the blue. Eric All is a Bengal. We've got Brendan Rice. There's Brock Bowers. Julian Love gold to 10 for the Seahawks. Lot 2. Troy Fontenot. That's J.J. McCarthy NFL debut to 199. Javonte, C.J. Stroud montage, Xavier Woods, Jamar Chase, Harold Landry, Jalen Hyatt, Javon Baker, Edgerrin Cooper, another 1/15 for the Packers, George Karlaftis, and the big Michael Penix /15 for the Falcons. We then had our autographs in this one. How about Jan Stenerud for the Kansas City Chiefs? That is /199. The kind of interesting Mac Jones, New England Patriots signature highlights autograph from 2022 Donruss. We've got Quaid McKinstry, purple for the Saints /49. Jordan Travis, white Mosaic. The whites are not numbered. So Jordan Travis as well as Isaac Gorendo, Niners. Jalen Polk for the Patriots. That's /99. Dallas Turner, in focus signatures /199. And Keon Coleman, Showtime for the Bills. All right, that's going to do it for Pick Your Team #1. We'll stop and save, and whatever fills next, we'll break next.